and CSE University of Asia for this huge honor. Thank you for making being your journey of this year. 2024 was such a life-changing year for me, and we couldn't have done it without everyone's support. Thank you to ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Star Music, and to everyone behind me. Sa mga blues, salamat sa walang sawang suporta sa BINI. From Philippine Arena to the world stage, salamat for leading by BINI's side and creating history with them. And of course, to our walo, Aya, Colette, Maloy, Gwen, Stacy, Nina, Joanna, and Sheena. Thank you for all your hard work and for always pushing through, even the times were tough. Once again, thank you Platinum Stallion Awards and the Philippine University of Asia. Mabuhay ang OPM! Thank you to Platinum Stallion National Awards and Trinity University of Asia for the recognition. We also want to thank the songwriters and producers behind Sharon Talk, Boy Matthews, Shetter Yasuda, Gigi Ramirez, and Skylar Rose. And the amazing team behind the music video, you, us, for being with us and growing with us from the very beginning. Of course, thank you again to the team behind BINI, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, and Star Music. To their supporters, Blooms, for streaming, sharing, dancing, and singing along to Cherry on Top. We hope you continue to support BINI and also share the same, if not greater love for their music and global advice. Thank you.